Hello, my name is Johnson, and I bid you welcome to Aerocraft World YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be looking at the best three WordPress security plugin to protect your website. Just the same way that you secure your bank account details from hackers is also the same way you should secure your website from hackers, scammers, bots, malicious traffic, forceful login, and malware. The first level of security is actually you using a very strong password and your login details. There's nothing that actually stops you from using a very strong password when installing WordPress. Now, the first level of security, as I've said for your website, is always start from the type of password that you make use of. The leverage you have is that WordPress will actually suggest a type of password for you. Now, you can go ahead and choose it, or you just type in yours. One thing is just make sure that whatever you're typing in is one that cannot easily be deciphered. I strongly advise the following rules when actually determining the kind of password. Now you should use a minimum of 10 characters. Make sure you have at least one lowercase. Make sure you have at least one uppercase, and at least one special character, at least one number also. Also, do not include your name in the password. Also, do not include your name, your children's name, or your family name, your password. Do not include natural language words. Do not include your wife or children name in it also. Now, though having a very strong password does not entirely give the assurance that your website will be hacked, but it at least makes sure that you cover up the first line of defense. Also, make sure that this password of yours is actually never shared with anyone. I once made this mistake of giving out the login details of a website that was designing for a client, and because he actually requested for it. Now, unknown to me, he wanted to give the password and login details to a friend of each who also designs a website to actually check out what I was designing. That's what he said actually, and that's what he told his friend. But the friend actually had another motive in mind. The next day, I actually logged into the Wordpress dashboard. I to continue my design. Lo and behold, the work I actually did the previous day were all gone. Immediately, I had to change the whole login details, which included the password and the username, and didn't give it out until I actually handed over the website officially. So just don't make the mistake I made. Also, logging out of the WordPress dashboard is one thing that you must not forget. The WordPress keep you logged in with a cookie for a default period of like 14 days. It keeps you in for a period of 14 days if you check the remember me box when logging in. Now, if your device is publicly accessible, you're leaving your site wide open for someone else to actually tamper with. So, as mentioned, I'm going to be talking about three best WordPress security plugins that can actually help you log out every hour or any number of hours you choose, and that can also secure your website for you. Now, the first on the list is the Wordfence WordPress security plugin. Now, Wordfence is one of the best three security plugin that provides the best protection available for your website. It's constantly updating its threat defense system to actually keep up with the latest threats. Wordfence is a powerful security plugin, and with this firewall, will actually stop you from getting hacked. It has the following features: malware scanner. It has a real-time malware signature that actually updates via the threat defense system. It compares your code files, themes, and plugins with what is in the WordPress.org repository, checking the integrity and reporting any changes to you. It also repairs files that have changed by overwriting them and with an original version. It deletes any file that seems suspicious within the WordPress interface. It checks your site for known security vulnerabilities and alerts you to any issues. It also alerts you of any potential security issues. It checks your content for safety by scanning file content, post, and comment for dangerous URLs and suspicious content. Now, it also checks to see if your site or IP have been blacklisted for malicious activity, generating spam or security issue. It blocks all requests from most malicious IPs. It protects your website against brute force attacks by limiting login attempts. Wordfence also has a two-factor authentication. It has a login page capture that you can actually use to stop bots from logging into your site. You can use it to manage and secure multiple sites all in one place. It tracks and alerts you on important security events, including administrator logins, breach password usage, and surges in attack activity. Now, it has a live traffic monitor that monitors VCs and acts attempts every time. And this particular feature is something that you cannot find in any analytics plugin. It also works with most WordPress plugins. To install it, all you need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard, click on plugin, then the add plugin, click on install. After that, you click on activate. So once you're done with that, you go through it to see what features you want to turn on and what features you want to leave out. As at the date of making this video, Wordfence actually had 3,405 stars rating, an active installation of more than 4 million, and requires WordPress PHP version 5.3 or R to actually work properly. The second on the list is actually the all-in-one security WordPress plugin. Now, this particular plugin is also one of the best to it. It adds extra layer security and firewall to your site by using a security that enforces a lot of good security practices. Now, all-in-one security plugin actually uses a grading system to measure how well your website is protected based on the security features that you have actually activated. It checks for vulnerabilities and enforces the latest recommended WordPress security practices and techniques. While it actually have most of the features contained in the Wordfence, there are some also additional features actually present in All-in-One Security plugin. It has a password strength tool that allows you to create very strong passwords. It detects if you have any WordPress user account which actually have identical login and display names. It protects your website against brute force login attack with login and lockdown feature. It allows site administrators to view a list of all logged out users, which are actually displayed in an easily readable, navigatable table, which allows you to unlock individual or bulk IP addresses at the click of a button. It also monitors failed login attempts. It also provides you with the feature to actually schedule automatic backups whenever you want, just with a click. It allows you to easily back up your original HT access and config files in case you're going to be needing them in the future. It also allows you to select the firewall settings ranging from the basic, intermediate, and to the advanced level. It allows you to deny bad or malicious query strings, and it also blocks fake Google bots from crawling your site. To install this plugin, all you need to do is also to log into your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, and then on add new. In the search bar, just type in all-in-one security plugin, click on install, and then you activate it. You're good to go. So it's you're going to see a dashboard, which you also is actually an easy thing to follow. All you need to do is choose the features that you want to turn on. As at the time of making this video, this particular plugin actually has Naira 92 5 stars rating, active installation of Naira 1000 plus, and also requires a WordPress PHP version 5.3 or higher to actually function properly. Finally, third on our list is actually the security and malware scan WordPress security plugin by CleanTalk. Now, this particular plugin is based on cloud security service that protects your website from a land threat so that it does not slow down your website. Now, security and malware scan is a powerful security plugin, and with this firewall, will stop you from getting hacked. It also has the following features, which the WordFence security plugin has. In addition to that, it has a few seconds delay for any failed attempt to log into your WordPress admin area. It checks your security log once per hour to see if some IPs have 10 or more attempts to log in into your WordPress dashboard per hour. If so, this IP is actually be banned for the next 24 hours. It has a malware scanner that checks core files, themes, and plugins. It works with most WordPress plugins. It has an antivirus scan mechanism that not only scan the WordPress core but all the files in your WordPress environment. So to install it, all you need to do just the same process. Log into your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, click on add new. Then the search bar, type in security and malware by ClickTalk, then install and activate. Um, as at 2 weeks ago to the date that this video was made, this particular plugin has 139 5 stars rating, an active installation of 10,000 plus, and also requires WordPress and PHP version 5.3 or higher to actually work properly. So now you know the best three WordPress security plugins, which are WordPress, all-in-one security plugin, security, and malware scan by CleanTalk. Also know that this is in no particular order. There Also, some other notable WordPress security plugins that should be mentioned as such include Jetpack, Searchbar Security, Item Security, Defender Security, that's Malware Scanner, Login Security and Firewall, Secure Security, Malware Security, Ninja Firewall, Shield Security, Anti-Malware Security, and Brute Force Wall. And now, apart from the top three mentioned, this one will also do a good job of protecting your website. Now, with this list, I believe that you definitely can choose the trustworthy WordPress security plugin. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Do not forget to hit the subscription button, like this video, and share with your friends and acquaintances because I believe that there's somebody out there that is in need of the information contained in this video. Also, do not forget to actually hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload the videos, you'll be made aware. Thank you for watching.